Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already meet the essentials: 4 Sage's unlocked and necessary items in inventory. Start now by warping to the nearest save and equipping mobility and healing consumables so you can recover quickly. Once done, find the trigger NPC or object and interact. This begins the 5th Sage sequence. You do this first to lock in the correct map state. If you delay, random spawns or flags can change. Keep a quick save and be ready to move the moment the scene ends. You now face the complex middle. Clear mini-objectives in the prescribed order to avoid backtracking and cascading resets. Make sure to deactivate barriers and gather exactly 3 key fragments while maintaining momentum. This preserves the sequence flags. In combat, prioritize interrupts and exploit brief stun windows so you can serve healing for the final phase. Once fragments are placed, transition immediately to environmental tasks. Timed platforms and light puzzles. You complete the sequence by placing the last item and speaking to the Sage Locust to trigger the Ascension cutscene. Make sure to save immediately after the scene so the new Sage state persists and your quest log updates. If the ritual fails or the Sage does not appear, reload your quick save and verify the sequence flags. Check that fragments were placed in the correct order and that no optional boss remains undefeated. If necessary, repeat the fragment placement and avoid skipping any mini-objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.